Welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Shipping and Logistics. In this video, we'll discuss what a warehouse is and how it affects business operations. We'll also look at the role of warehouse management in modern business and discuss the various aspects of it. So let's get started. A warehouse is a large commercial building used for storage of goods and materials. It is usually used by manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, and distributors for the storage of goods before they are sent out for sale. Warehouses are used to store inventory, raw materials, and finished products. They are also used to store supplies for future use. Types of warehouses. There are several different types of warehouses. Public warehouses are used by multiple companies for the storage of goods. Private warehouses are used by a single company for their own storage needs. Bonded warehouses are used for customs purposes and are subject to special regulations. Refrigerated warehouses are used to store perishable goods, such as food items. Warehouse management. Warehouse management is the process of managing the inventory and operations of warehouse facilities. It involves planning, organizing, controlling, and monitoring the activities of the warehouse. It also involves managing the staff and other resources of the warehouse. Warehouse management can be divided into two main categories: inventory management and operational management. Inventory management involves controlling the movement of goods into and out of the warehouse, as well as tracking and managing inventory levels. Operational management involves managing the day-to-day operations of the warehouse, such as receiving, shipping, and storing goods. Now we'll explore the basics of inventory management. Definition. So, what is inventory management? It is the practice of tracking and controlling the inventory of a business. It involves tracking items from the point of purchase or production, all the way to the point of sale. Benefits. Managing inventory can bring many benefits to a business. It helps to ensure that customers always have access to the products they need. It also helps to reduce costs, as it ensures that there is not too much or too little inventory being bought or sold. Finally, it helps to improve customer satisfaction, as customers will always have access to the products they need. Process. So, how does inventory management work? The process starts with the tracking of inventory levels. This involves tracking the number of items in stock and the amount of each item being bought or sold. Using this information, businesses can order more inventory when necessary and avoid overstocking and understocking. In conclusion, inventory management is an important part of any business. It helps to ensure that customers always have access to the products they need, while also helping to reduce costs. Now we'll be exploring the concept of operational management in warehousing. Operational management is the process of overseeing the day-to-day operations of a warehouse. It involves managing the storage, handling, and distribution of goods, as well as the tracking of inventory. When it comes to warehousing, operational management is essential. Without it, the warehouse would be unable to operate efficiently and effectively. The success of any warehouse depends on the ability of the operational manager to coordinate all aspects of the warehouse operations. This includes overseeing the loading and unloading of products, organizing storage layouts, and keeping accurate records of all products. Operational managers must also ensure that the warehouse is compliant with health and safety regulations and that all employees are properly trained to perform their duties. Another key part of operational management is communication. Operational managers must keep in contact with other departments in the company, such as sales and marketing, to ensure that the warehouse is meeting the company's needs. Finally, operational managers must be able to adapt to changes in the market and adjust warehouse operations accordingly. Benefits of warehouse management. Warehouse management has many benefits for businesses. It helps reduce costs by improving efficiency and accuracy. It also helps improve customer service by ensuring that orders are shipped on time and in full. It also helps reduce the risk of inventory shrinkage by tracking and managing inventory levels. In conclusion, warehouse and warehouse management are important for businesses. Warehouses are used for the storage of goods and materials, and warehouse management is the process of managing the inventory and operations of the warehouse. It helps businesses reduce costs, improve customer service, and reduce the risk of inventory shrinkage. Thanks for watching this video on warehouse and warehouse management. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of inventory management and operational management in warehousing.